All right, thank you, John. Yeah, Carol is here with a recipe called Too Easy, Too Tasty Pumpkin Muffins. And 2 ingredients?
2 ingredients.
We love that.
It's amazing, truly amazing. A can of pumpkin, and you want just plain pumpkin, nothing with spices or sugar in it. All it says is just pumpkin on the ingredients. And then you take a yellow cake mix or a spice cake mix, or be creative and use something else, and you mix them up together, and you have to stir and stir, and it takes a little bit to stir, but once you get it, the moisture of the pumpkin is just
seeps right into it.
It seeps right into it, yeah.
And so is this your recipe, Carol, or where'd you find it?
I got this from Darcy Ranke. She's my go-to. She's always texting me easy and tasty recipes.
Where does she live?
She lives in Columbus, and she's my friend's daughter-in-law, and she has two kids. One's a senior, one's in college.
Okay.
So she is well-versed on what's easy, what's simple, and what people
moms
like.
need to do. Okay.
Yes.
And so then after you mix that up.
Yeah, then you put it in a muffin tin.
Okay.
So we'll put it in a muffin tin.
Do you grease yours always?
Yes, I do. This one I didn't get grease because I'll just dump it back in
or
there.
put some liners in it.
Yeah,
way.
liners will work. And you can, and then I'll sprinkle it with the cinnamon sugar. And your cinnamon and sugar is probably, 1/5 sugar, or 2/5, 4/5 sugar, 1/5 cinnamon, because otherwise it gets pretty cinnamony. And you sprinkle that on, bake at 350 for 20 minutes, and that's what you end up with.
And these look great. They look like they're
healthy,
homemade.
and I say in the scheme of things, relatively low in calories, high in nutrition.
Yeah, pumpkin is always good for you. And let's say you wanted to change it up just a bit and maybe put some chocolate chips in there.
You could put chocolate chips in there, butterscotch chips, put a little frosting on top. Put little sprinkles on. You could add tweak it a lot of different ways. Make little mini muffins.
Oh, yeah.
I know these are huge.
Okay, we'll take a bite.
You can make big ones, little ones. I just was really surprised how it turned out.
Yeah, really good, and they're moist. Mm-hmm. And again, pumpkin, like you said, is very good for you.
Yes, yes, it is.
Carol, thank you for this, and thank your friend.
I will.
Tell her to keep those recipes coming to us.
I will do that.
And this recipe is posted already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you would like to copy it. Thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
I'm going to keep eating this. Back to you, John.